I already did the testing part. Thanks, Perry. Okay. What are the mean, median, and interquartile range of song lengths? Okay. So the first thing we need to know the median, and then what else do you need to know? And okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to come to your chart here, and the median's going to be where? At 50th. So I'm going to approximate it. I'm going to say it's right about there. Shadow's throwing me off. So I go here, and then I'm just going to drop my line perpendicular to it. So it looks like it's not quite 4, so I'm going to say that it's 3.9. Did I show my work how I did it? Okay, so what's my quartile 1? 0.25, right? Let's do a different color for that so we can keep it all separate. I'm going to say that's right about there. And then I'm going to drop it down to, sure, I'll give that to you. How about 3.3? We can settle it evenly. I don't feel 3 point. I'm not feeling a 3.5. All right, let's go to 7.5. I'm gonna say it's gonna be about right there, and then I'm just gonna drop that line down again. So I'm gonna go with 4 point. That one I had to go 4.5. Okay. Now, these are all approximations, right? So as long as you're showing me how you're getting your scores, then I'm not gonna mark you wrong. Okay. You're just showing what you're interpreting the graph to be, okay? All right, so then the IQR is just going to be 4.5 minus 3.4, which would be 1.1. And that's about where we're at, okay? Anything you want to go over on that one? Okay, part B says that the mean is 423 and my standard deviation was 1.38. All right, so basically what we're doing is we're asked to convert this into seconds, and then we have to consider this 5 second of silence, which I don't know why you'd want to do that. Okay. All right. So the first thing is, isn't this already seconds? Okay. So what should I do? Okay. So we multiply this by 60. So 4.23 times by 60 is 253 seconds, 253.8 seconds. Okay. Right? All right. Now, what about that 5 seconds? Do we worry about it in the mean? Yes. Yeah, you do, because what are you doing with you're adding 5 seconds, so you're shifting that mean. So you're taking that 5 seconds and you got to go pick it up and move it. So we've got to add our 5 seconds, which is, all right. So then we take our standard deviation, we multiply that by seconds. 2.8 seconds. Okay. Dumb question, or not dumb question. Next question is, do I add the 5 seconds? Nope. Why? Standard deviation is just the width. Okay, so it's not moving. Okay, perfect. What do you mean? When I'm multiplying, I change it. Yeah. When I change my standard deviation when I multiply or divide. Okay. What are the mean and z-scores of the length of the song? Justify your answer. Okay. The z-scores for my mean. How can I put this? All right. You've got a what? A normal distribution, right? Yep. So that's 0. I get that. So when it says what are your mean and standard deviation of the z-scores, so the mean is going to be 0. That's your z-score. What's your standard deviation score going to be? Yep. Because it's all standardized. So that's going to be 1, that's -1, that's 2, that's 3, that's -2, -2, and -3. That's why you're going to ask me the question. Because we're changing it to z-scores. They told us in the beginning that it was normal, didn't they? Then we'll, because of our section, we'll have to say that from here on out, it should tell us that everything's normal. Okay? Because technically, Zane was right. We shouldn't have been able to do number 1 because the data is skewed. You probably shouldn't have done your z-score there. Okay? All right.